Yeah, hi guys, my package from FireFall came today. I think it's from FireFall because it says Commander. It looks like this, could be a rocket launcher or whatever. So I'm gonna unpack this and look what's inside. It should be a poster from FireFall. Oh yeah. Holy fucking shit. My FireFall poster. And because I got the Commander package. I remember 6 years ago whoa. This sheet of text. And the FireFall beanie. Fuck yeah! Thanks Red 5 Studios, I hope you liked it. And let's play some FireFall.